In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a list in Google Tasks on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for, so you can keep your to-do lists neat, organized, and easy to recognize. First, open the Google Tasks app on your phone. This is the standalone Tasks app, not the Tasks panel inside other Google apps. Give it a second to load your lists. If you're signed into multiple accounts, the app will show the list associated with the active account. Next, look to the bottom left of your screen and tap the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together, often called the hamburger menu. This opens your list panel where you can see all your task lists. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main task screen and not inside a specific task. Now tap the list you want to rename. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct one, especially if you have similarly named lists like work, personal, or projects. Opening the list ensures the rename option will target the right place. With the list open, head to the bottom right and tap the three-dot menu. This is the More Options button. Tapping it reveals additional actions related to the list you're viewing. If you're on a slightly different layout, it may appear along the bottom toolbar or as a floating icon, but it will still look like three vertical dots. From the options that appear, tap Rename List. This will bring up a text field where you can change the name. Your cursor should already be active in the name box, ready for editing. Type the new name you want for the list, then tap Done. Depending on your device, Done may appear on the on-screen keyboard or at the top corner of the dialog. Keep the name short and clear so it's easy to scan later. As soon as you tap Done, the list updates immediately, and all tasks inside stay exactly where they are. Only the title changes. If the new name doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of the screen will show it. That's it, you've successfully renamed your list in Google Tasks. Use this same process anytime your projects shift or you just want cleaner, more descriptive list names. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.